a quick look at Flubaroo, the self-marking Google plugin. So to start, what we're going to do is open up a Google form. Okay, so just, like you usually can. You'll get what you usually do with Google Forms, which is the wide selection of themes. So you can go ahead, pick a theme as well as naming your quiz. So we're just going to do a quick test here. So if you want to name your type, give it, a title, and then the Google Forms system allows you to add a variety of question types, so multiple choice, paragraph and things. So we're just going to use a quick example question here. This is going to be a multiple choice one, but if you go into the add item, you've also got something like a paragraph or a tick box or whatever. So we're going to put in one here where the answer will actually have to be typed, so there won't be a clue given. The student will have to fully enter the answer themselves. Okay, so we can't provide any answers for that because it's a thing there. So then this is the message that it's going to give once they've actually submitted the forms. We'll just say, thank you for taking the test. And then this box up here, automatically collect the responder's username. We have to make sure that's ticked. Okay, and what that's going to let us to do is collect who took the test. So we now want to go to view test and take the test ourselves. So I'll just pop in the correct answers, and my answers will be used as the answer key for all the students that are going to be taking it. Okay, so then we're going to go to the review responses, and this is the spreadsheet which Google Forms automatically creates. So right now everything we're doing is standard to Google Forms. We're now going to go ahead and bring in Flubaroo, which is the plugin. Okay, so you want to go to the add-ons menu and add the add-on Flubaroo. Okay, so I've already got it installed, but you would just click tick or whatever. Okay, there you go. So what we're going to do is go into this menu and select the grade assignment. And what it's going to ask us to do is put in the correct answer the second time around. Okay, so we've got to submit our response again. Okay, so going to do it twice. And we'll just put in the same answers again. Okay, so now if we go back to our form, we've now got two answers, both correct. And when we go into grade assignment this time, it's going to ask us to set up some options. So for the correct answer of capital UK, how many points do we give? And CEO of Apple, how many points do we give? And this one here, username, is going to identify the student, so we know who's taking that test. Okay. And then to ask us to set whose are the correct answers. Well, both of the answers provided are correct, so we'll just hit the first one. That's fine, and just continue. Okay, so it's now going to grade our assignment, and you can see now that has done, because we submitted two responses. The second response, we were acting as a student, and it's now gone ahead and actually checked that against the answer key, which is here, and it's given a percentage, and it's also generated some information for the teacher, okay, so they can see the average mark, etc. And what we can do now is give the student feedback by going to email report. Okay, so by doing that now, it's going to bring us up a window with who we're going to email, and we can also add a personalised message. Okay. Okay, so we're just going to press continue, and what that's going to do is that'll send out from the Flubaroo system the amount of grades. So obviously it's only saying one grade because there's only one student. We were acting as a student that did it. What we can do here is we can view the report, and that's going to take us to the grading report, which is going to give us all this information. Okay, so we've got how many points were possible, what the average points were, so you can also sort of see how your class did on a whole as opposed to just those specific students. We can give each student specific feedback, okay? So in this case, if we can go down the whole line and provide students with personalised feedback as opposed to the whole class. So if the person got full marks, the teacher can go in and add that. And if they, for example, got a block of questions wrong, then the teacher can suggest revision. Okay, so this is a really good parent-to-teacher communication, because then they can even email back, and it improves that communication link. Okay. So now we're going to cut to the email window that a student's going to receive. Okay, so we're in the student's email now, and they have received this one email. Okay, so it's given them their grade and also each answer. So if they got it wrong, they can see what difference is there. And this is emailing it to me as the teacher, this email, and it links it back to the spreadsheet, but it also gives me that average data that we saw earlier, so you can store that and forward it on to other teachers, for example. Okay. Okay, so let's take a quick recap. So the first step you want to do is create your form at Google Drive. Secondly, you want to submit the form yourself twice with the correct answers that are going to be used as the key. Then in the answers spreadsheet, you want to install the plugin, set your correct answers and allow Flubaroo to grade the assignment. Then, optionally, you can add personalised student feedback, and if not, you can carry on and email students their scores. Okay, to install Flubaroo, you want to go to the add-ons menu and click Get Add-ons. Then you want to search Flubaroo in the menu bar, and you can just hit the install button. It'll ask you to log in with your account, your Google Apps account, to confirm that you want to install it, and then you're ready to go.